where you're doing, this is the overhand opposite pinwheel with the extension. And the movement itself has you reach across, reach across, reach across, reach across. Okay, great, we could do your dominant hand. Okay, zhunk, zhunk. And then this is the twist, right? As you cross, and I like to think of this as like a karate chop down on the other side. As you're doing your little karate chop, that's your twist. Zhink, 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 zhink. Man, I really do have sound effects for everything. It really matches to me though. Then if you start from even if you do this as a not a split time move, I think it'll still help you get this karate chop sensation, which will help lead into these crosser type motions. The point of this drill is to get you accustomed to, if you look at it on this plane, not going like this, but doing more of this, where you're coming across your body like this in a flatter plane so that it doesn't accidentally come out here more. Because going across your body will help you get it underneath your other armpit.